morning, everyone. I'm doing a what's for dinner or what we ate this week video for you guys because I know you guys really enjoy this. You're going to have to forgive the lighting because it is early in the morning and we are fixing breakfast first thing. So I have got some hot sausage sizzling away here in the pan, and there is nothing like hot sausage, guys. Hot sausage is the way to go. I made a couple loaves of bread. First time I've made loaves of bread in 2 years. Came out amazing. It was wonderful. The crumb is even good. The crust is awesome. It's not too hard. When it came out of the oven, I just topped with lots of butter. My in-laws love theirs. Theirs is already gone. But we saved ours because this bread makes amazing French toast, and that is what we're doing this morning. So I've already sliced it, and I'm going to tell you that you really shouldn't slice bread without a serraine knife like this one. It's the ones with the little combs, because you get the perfect slice every time. See that? And then that way, whenever you go to make a sandwich or you go to you know, make your French toast, it's easy. You're hearing Ronnie coughing in there in the living room. He's drinking his coffee this morning. Okay, you're going to say, man, that's an awful lot of cinnamon. Yes, it is. We've got some cream in here, some vanilla, some cinnamon, some eggs, and it's all getting whipped up in here. And then I'm going to dip the bread into it, and then I'm going to fry it in some butter until it's nice and golden brown. And that is what we're going to have for breakfast this morning. I'm headed out this morning to go to the grocery store, so you all will be seeing a grocery haul as well real soon. And yeah, so I'll show you my plate whenever I serve this up. Happy Tuesday, guys. Yesterday I showed our breakfast, but last night we had ribs and what did we have? Ribs and something else. Anyways, we had ribs last night at my in-laws' house. And if you don't know, they're my neighbors. And tonight we are having a barbecue chicken, which are just barbecued spicy drumsticks. And I used the honey. Let's see, do I have it sitting out? This is our favorite. The thick and spicy honey barbecue sauce from Kraft. It's really, really good. And then to bring it up a notch, I add a little bit of my sriracha. And as you can see, we really like the sriracha in this house. Forgive the lighting, it is evening. I also made a broccoli cheese casserole. And it's got a cracker crumb on the top. And it is going to be really good. And that is what we are having for supper tonight for Tuesday. Hello, friends. It is Wednesday. And today we are having some salmon patties. I have not made salmon patties in forever, but I'm doing salmon patties. And when I do, I always put a bunch of pepperoni rings right in the middle. And it makes these nice and spicy. Not too hot, but it gives it a kick, and I love it. I just use pink salmon and some panko breadcrumbs, a couple of eggs, and I make sure that all the little tiny bones are out of my meat. And then I just take my hands and squish it together and make the patties. And this is frying in a little bit of vegetable oil. And they are, I like it to get the outside of them nice and crisp. Oh, and they smell wonderful. I am so hungry. For breakfast this morning, I just had a bowl of cereal and a little bit of yogurt, so nothing real entertaining to show there, but I do want to share my dinners. So I've got a little bit of macaroni in here, and I'm going just to add a little bit of Velveeta cheese to it. Ronnie was like, do you want to have something else? And I had leftover broccoli casserole. I don't know if you can even see it, but it's right there. And I'm heating that up in the oven. So we're going to have a little broccoli casserole, a little mac and cheese, a little salmon patty. Be really good. And I'll show you all my plate whenever I serve it up.
This is real good now.
And they've completely transformed that middle room too. Taking inspiration from their 19th century forefathers, they've turned
Hello everybody, it is Thursday and today for dinner I just thought that I would tell you I'm getting an early start, so if we have leftovers we'll probably eat this again before the end of the day. But I'm going out shopping with my mother-in-law and I've got things going on with the house today, so I'm kind of busy, so that is why we're eating a little bit early. So I made Jambalaya Rice, that's what it's called. Now in the directions you're really supposed to add meat to this, but I add black beans that are canned and then I rinsed them and I added that to it. I tasted it, it is amazing. I love it because it is very flavorful and it's spicy, but it's not real spicy. But to bring that up to a nice kick, I fried us up some Italian hot sausages to go with it. I also made a big giant gallon of fresh iced tea. And basically how I serve this for Ronnie is I cut up his sausages and then I put it in his rice and then I add a little bit of cheese to the top and he absolutely loves it. So that's how Ronnie eats it. I eat my sausage separated from my rice and I love it that way. Anyways, we're getting ready to eat. I'm getting ready to run out the door here in about an hour, and I still have to do my hair, so I don't look like a scarecrow when I go out. But I hope you guys are having a lovely Thursday, and I will be checking in again. Friday night is pizza night, so we got this one that we've already dug into. We are hungry. Bus was late today. Ronnie was late getting home. We're all starving. I'll show you the second one here in a second. There's the second one in there in the oven cooking up. And so we're about to devour dinner. And that is Friday night supper. Also having dirt cake for dessert. I have to think. I'm in a hurry because I got a broadcast here in a little bit. But anyways, we got the dirt cake and the recipe for this will be out soon. I'm not really sure when. But be looking for that because this is so good. Ronnie, do you like this?
It is so good. I love this.
It's good.
One of the best by far.
It is Saturday, and I'm going to quickly share what we are eating because we are starving. We spent the day at the gym, so it is time to eat. This is just like a chicken rice that I spiced up with some rotel and some hot cheese. We've got some just regular tacos with cheese, sour cream, and some hot salsa. And I've got some spicy guacamole here. And we are eating this kind of chip. Let's see. The henna lime Tostito chips. I love these things. They are so good. My son got me addicted to those. And we're drinking sweet tea right here.
So is these tacos. They're real good.
Are they real good? All right, let's dig in.